現在バンドをリードするのは農夫でありフィドラーのマーク・ドネリンさん。12歳からバンドに参加しています。アイルランドでは伝統音楽のミュージシャンは今もほとんどが別の仕事を持っています。
When you're not playing a music during the day.
Oh, work.
Yeah.
I'm a farmer. Farmer, yeah. And Sean is a farmer.
Sean's a farmer.
Air traffic engineer.
Decorator. House painter.
Telephone engineer.
あの写真
What
は
eyes, alright.
That's Mark's father, my
This
father.
is my father. This
Yeah.
is Martin's father.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The sitting here.
So, yeah.
This is where
No, no, no,
He's in,
no,
he's in his position and I'm in his position.
Yeah. Visual is yours. Yeah.
That's PJ, Martin's father again. So this is, he used to play here for years and years and years. So that was his position. And my father used to sit here. So we're taking up their positions.
マーティンさんもマークさんも父親から数千に及ぶ楽曲と音楽の喜びを受け継いできたのです。